Okay, so guys, let's see. I do a live trading today. Maybe not. Okay, so what we are seeing here is basically today we have no news. Okay, so if you have a look at the first calendar, oh 11:15 we got Trump speaking. Okay, so first of all, what I can see is this. Okay, okay, so let's go to the weekly chart first. Yeah, so it's previous week high. So we cleared previous week high already, okay? And right now we are at all-time highs. But you know what? A retracement is always reasonable, okay? Especially after we cleared the all-time high and we are back below it right now. So first draw we're gonna see is this. Okay, so this, yeah, let's delete everything that is not important. Okay, so at the moment, right, what I'm seeing is this, okay? We cleared the buy side. Wait, let me toggle off. We cleared the buy side. We cleared previous week high. So a higher time frame buy side has been cleared. So now what I'm going to see is the wicks. So this is going to be the upper quadrant and the weekly C wick, which will be the draw. Okay, the weekly C wick to the downside. Okay. So previous weekly high cleared, previous daily high also cleared. Okay, cleared previous weekly high, previous daily high, and we are rejecting back right now. Okay. So my data so slow. Okay, so if you go back to the weekly chart, this is the previous week in your weeks, okay? So this is the quadrants of it. So go back to daily chart. Okay, the quadrants is here. And we had an up green day. So big range brings small range, okay? So and definitely a retracement is expected. So here what am I seeing is that first we close below the previous week high, previous day high as well. So this CE week is going to be important. So 6471. Okay, so just pop this daily C week and sorry, not daily, this is 4 hour. Right? So yeah, you can see I'm doing it on my phone, but at the same time I'm trying to grasp like where is the high time frame, what is the high time frame charts doing, because that's the most important one. So and if you look at the 4 chart, what you can see is this big BC here. So I'm gonna expect a retracement back into that because we rejected at the previous daily high. We also rejected at the previous weekly high from this swing high. As long as this swing high stay intact, we're gonna see this 4 hour BC to be traded too, okay? One hour chart. So basically on 1 hour chart, you can see, yep, this will be the ITH. As long as this stay intact, that's the most important one. And yeah, my break time, I won't be able to wait until the 4 o'clock for this 1 hour candle to close. But anyway, we'll go down to 15-minute chart and see. So on 15 minutes, what are we seeing? Okay, first what we can see is this. Okay, dollar firm downside, Nasdaq and S&P firm up, and Dow just doing its own thing. So basically, when you're at all-time high, you don't want to catch the lows, pick tops or pick bottom as well. Okay. So what we can see on this 15-minute chart is here. We respected this 15-minute BC. We trace back to the 4 hour C wick, touches the upper quadrant of the daily wick, sorry, the weekly wick. Then right now, buy side is here. Trio 4 starts the London session for the, what's that called? Silver bullet. So let's say this buy side is the Asia time buy side, okay? And let's say on 15-minute chart came back down to the BC at 2 o'clock. Then form a market structure shift, fair gap, so sell side is cleared here into this 15-minute BC, supporting at the weekly upper quadrant wicks from the displacement. So definitely you can trust it and take it. And at what time? 2:45, 250 macro. So stop loss might be here. Target to the buy side. So that will be it for the 250 macro. So right now we are still in the 250 macro. And here buy side in crosshairs. The dollar just keep going lower. Okay, nothing important about the opening range, like midnight opening range. But yes, let's draw the midnight opening price. So right now we are above the midnight opening price. Buy side here in crosshairs. Sell side here too clean, but it's also the 4 hour BC high. Anyway, right now I don't think I can see anything. Forming all-time highs. So this is basically telling you don't fade it. Don't fade it by an all-time high. We might just continue higher. Okay, so we've been just going up. So right now, I would favor the buy side to be engineered here, and then this is a BC. So let's draw this BC and see. So this is the 15-minute BC that just formed, and basically, yep, I am gonna expect a retracement back into it, then only reaching higher for the buy side. Okay. So let's just place our limit order and I'll just close the charts. So here, stop loss has to be here. So 4.75 points. TP profit is going to be here, just one tick above. Okay. So let's set the limit order. What's the risk always so big? What the fuck? Hey, the fuck? Okay, so that will be it. Yeah, I'm going to take buy side because if it were to reach above it, right, it will just to and show. So that's what I'm expecting. And yeah, that would be it. So you can see the 15-minute chart they formed here, but 5-minute really traded into it and trades higher right now. But remember on 15-minute chart, here is still empty, okay? But yeah, if I look at the 5-minute chart, I can see sell side here, dispersion fell really good, respected it. Yeah, I'll just place the limit order here. Stop loss is gonna place here. So why is that I have switched the take profit target? It's because if you see the 15-minute chart, yes, indeed on 15-minute chart we have this BC right here. We have this market structure shift right here. So but another thing you can see is that on this 15-minute chart, when we go down to the 5-minute chart, when we go down to the 5-minute chart, this traded into this BC form this 15-minute BC. So that in my mind tells me that okay, it might not want to reach there. And so right now my stop loss is gonna just place right below this mean order block. Okay, here. So stop loss gonna just be placed here. So that would be it. And then okay, what I'm fearing it can go above it, no problem. It can go poke above it little bit, no problem. Okay, that one no problem. But what I want to see is don't poke above it, come back down, then only trades higher to it. Okay, we cleared the buy side. Now we are allowed to retrace back into it. And usually if you see here super clean sell side. Yeah, now that we cleared buy side, the one feeling safe is the sell side here. Dollar firm down, all is going up. So anyway, we'll still just wait for a discount. If it gives us, then it gives us. If it don't give us, then that will be it. Okay, so that will be it. I will just wait patiently because don't want to pick tops. So yeah, as you can see, this fine in BC we trace back into the order block, then trades higher. Okay, so anyway, I'm not looking for higher prices anymore now. I'm not gonna chase it, and that will basically be it for today. Because right now the only place that I'm gonna aim for is this 4 BC here, the sell side. You see, we tried multiple times but we failed to reach back into it. And now we cleared form a new high. At the same time, we also can say that okay, right now price might start just going higher. Well, not particularly wrong, but I'm not gonna participate in this combo. Okay, so that be it. So today, no trades, no trade idea at the moment. So we shall come back. Wait, maybe the money chart. Yep, see, even on money chart, we are at all time high. When we're at all time high, don't pick tops. Okay, just follow the order flow. And we're gonna just enter at no entry here. Here order block form, no entry as well. And right now this is seen as a proportion block. So we're just gonna go long at here. If it come down and give me the proportion block, stop loss will be placed right below here because this is the order block. Proportion block mid of it, we don't want to see it. What, okay? So we're gonna buy at 6472.75. Okay, we're gonna buy here. Stop loss is gonna be placed here. Here the previous day high and take free profit just gonna Because right now today Wednesday, you never know if we just continue higher. So yeah, just a small scalp here. Yeah, right now it's like trading like brick away kind of thing. So yeah, this is doable. First one I'm bullish. Sorry, it's all time high bullish. So what you can do, you can just follow the order flow. And then what you can do is just submit to it. So what I'm going to do is just place this order and close the charts. This is going to take 21 ticks. And let's see, go higher time frame and see if we can get more levels or not. So stop loss below here. 15-minute chart. Gonna see I can pull any Foucault point out, and that will be okay. Foucault point I can pull is from here to here. Okay, so Foucault point when I pull it from here to here, you can see a negative one level is here. So what I'm gonna do is here to here, negative one level. So yeah, what we can do is I'm gonna enter long at the buy side that's taken, which is on the 1 minute chart. Yeah, this BC here, and then I'm gonna aim for the negative one level, which is here. So 1 point below it, that's good enough for me already, okay? This is the propulsion block, and that's it. Okay, so just gonna close the chart and open it later. Okay guys, so in that trade, since see on 5 minute chart is this 5 minute chart from BC, reach into it. So yeah, that's basically 1 minute chart. This was the one I was expecting. So right now it's 350 macro. So 350 macro, we can see on the 15-minute chart, this Foucault point is still in play, okay? Negative one level. So that's what I'm aiming for. So on 15-minute chart, we also did a retracement, the BC here. So right now, it is everything is in favor for it to reach higher, okay? So we just wait. So this is what I mean and what I want myself to be patient, just placing the order and just let it go. So basically, every time during my break time trading, that's what I do. So when that's what I do, I feel like okay, I'm so patient. You see, price waited for price to reach inside the BC before reaching higher. Always being really patient and only waiting for the entry that I want to enter at. Okay, so from this price leg, this is the discount. You can see this fair ticket that I entered is in the discount of this 1 minute dealing range. And this is the 15-minute BC that I draw. So from the 15-minute BC, we can pull, we can, what's that called? We can refine it to 5 minute, which is this one. So refine it is to here, is this one, look at that beautiful. And you refine it to 3 minutes again, is this one here. And you refine it to 1 minute. And when you refine it 1 minute, it's gonna be this one here. Sorry, and you find a 5 minute is gonna be we have two here. So we find a 2 minute chart. 2 minute chart will be these two fair again, and 1 minute this fair again. Why I choose this fair again? because this fair value gap is where bisect is cleared. So that's why I choose this fair value gap. And now that's it. What I'm going to do is just submit to the price action, submit the time, and just that will be it. Yeah, to be honest, if I were to trail my stop loss right now, my stop loss will be trailed right here. That means the risk very small, but I'm just going to submit to it and just let it be, okay? Because dollar still spooling lower. So, yeah. But yeah, now my stop loss, I will trade it to right below. Actually, I will trade it to here. Yeah, that will be it. I feel like retracing my, I feel like shifting my stop loss to here because you can see this order block. Okay, below the mean, I feel like retracing, I feel like shifting my stop loss back there, but I'm going to just leave it here, okay? So right now, seeing this volume balance, see does this support price to go higher. Okay guys, so this is a 5 minute chart and we can see at this volume balance. Okay, so you can see we respected this volume balance right here. Okay, so right now actually my stop loss I will just shift it to here. So right below this swing low. Because right now it should really just spool to the negative one level, okay? This CE wick as well, volume balance, bodies respecting it, the CE wick as well. And then come on a little bit more. Just 3 more ticks. And then basically what I'm seeing is also this CE wick, okay? See this CE wick here? Bam. See this CE wick right here? We didn't even touch it, okay? So this CE wick comes at 6474. So 6474 is basically the low of this candle is 6474. Yeah, so 6474 is all expected. And yeah, so that's it. Right now, with the 3 period array is the BC here, with the volume balance, the C wick, and this order block, okay? So down nicely, firm up, dollar also firm down, Nasdaq also all looking okay. And that will basically be it. I will show you guys the execution that I'm doing. Yeah, you guys can see that executions here. So that's basically long here and one more tick. Okay, there we go. And that's it. Okay. So that's it for today. Right now, time to go back to work already.